Harmeet Singh Gill here at the AIB, the it's actually the Aviation Investigation Bureau. I'm here with Abdul-Hamid. He's the investigator assistant over here. He's also doing an apprenticeship program up here as well. And he's an aerospace engineer, so he's quite a smart kid. So, Abdul-Hamid, welcome to the show.
Thank you very much for hosting me.
So now, yesterday you were at the conference. You've been very helpful. I even told the commissioner how much help you've been providing for Star Navigation, making sure that everything's going quite smoothly. And thank you very much for that. Now you saw what it is. YouTube Aerospace Engineering. You saw this technology for the first time as we presented here to Ghana. What did you think about it from your heart?
Okay, as an aerospace engineer, we are also looking at improving technology, improving tech, building machines that in the future will reduce accidents and incidents. So looking at that technology, adding it to these old machines we have currently and even the ones yet to be designed, it will improve safety and really give us more confidence when operating those machines.
So actually it's a very valid thing. It is giving the confidence, public to fly, engineers being confident that they got the right thing. Our forte is also not just providing the ultimate safety, but also helping the airline grow. And then that, in order for that to happen, you have to have cost savings, from the fuel savings, from the engineering savings, from the time savings, turning around the aircraft quickly, so the AOG, the aircraft on the ground, can be turned around fast. These are a series of things that happen, and you were there listening to the investigation specialist today too this morning and the commissioner. And they spoke very highly of this system. What do you think the government should do to implement this? For us, I mean, the negativity part is we wish they can do it sooner, right? Obviously, that's what we want because you've got a positivity and such a brilliant technology, right? What would you like to see that the government do? The fact that you live here and to implement something like this.
Okay, so what I suggest the government does through the Civil Aviation Authority, because they regulate the civil aviation in Ghana. What I recommend to do is any new aircraft coming into our airspace that is coming to operate in Ghana, they should add it to their mandate or their requirements that they have this system incorporated in their aircrafts. And those currently in service, give them a period of time to add to their system. Just like when an accident happens and we bring safety recommendations, sometimes FAE can give airlines some period of time to modify their aircraft to incorporate whatever recommendations were given by the investigation authority so that it helps prevent the recurrence of that accident.
Right. When I was traveling over here from Canada, it took me almost a total 22 hours getting here. I went through from Toronto to Paris de Gaulle in Paris and then from there to Kenya. Obviously my wife wanted to know I'm safe, so everywhere I stopped I would call her, tell her, and you too, I'm sure if you're going, your mom and dad or your loved one will want to know, are you safe getting to your destination? So what do you say to the public, general public who flies every day, that if you have this kind of technology on your aircraft, how safe should they feel?
Okay, so to the general public, I know everyone will have that notion aviation is the safest mode of transport, and it is actually, yes, but there's still a fear of leaving the ground and going into the air and coming back. There's always a tendency to have challenges and accidents and other things. Even with turbulence, people begin to panic in the aircraft. But I want to assure you, with this kind of technology incorporated, lapses in our judgments and also the things that the crew members sometimes overlook and other things, this system serves as a check and a balance. So it checks us and balances for wherever we forget to work on or something. So this system is a check and balance system, so it will really help us.
Hey, Abdul-Hamid, that was a pleasure talking to you for coming on the show. I think you've got a very bright career. If we expand Star Navigation into Ghana, I think you're going to be one of the first guys I'm going to hire. Right? As long as AIB are okay with that, right? But I did put a good word into the commissioner, the things that you've done. And I know you've embraced the technology. You've spoken very wonderful about it as well. And I think, yes, you're right. Let's make it safe for the public. Let them feel safe that, you know what, they are flying one of the safest systems in the world. So this is Harmeet Singh Gill from Ghana, reporting from here just after we finished the conference yesterday. We got a great reception from people from the Air Force, Defense, from the Navy were there, from the police department, and we've done several good recordings. Probably one of the best conferences the Star has attended, especially with the kind of reception we got, and our partners, AIB, which is the Aviation Investigation Bureau, to be on our side to host this conference with us was a tremendous plus. And the turnout was literally, 70 plus people there from different industries, right from the oil and gas to the ground to the air. And all of this really mean a lot to Star Navigation, and it means a lot to the public, and it certainly means a lot to AIB. So thank you again for people in Ghana. We can't wait to make the sky safer for you guys. And this is Harmeet Singhil reporting from Ghana. Thank you.